In this video, we're going to break down how AI influencers make money step by step. And I'm going to show you how you can get started for free setting up one of these AI influencers of your own to make money for you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. What's up everyone? My name is James Jernigan, and everything I'm going to be showing you in this video I've been doing from this purple school bus while traveling around the country. So if I'm able to do this from a purple school bus, odds are you can do this wherever in the world you are located. So let's get started. What I want to show you here today is how I've turned short, faceless, automated videos into tens of thousands of dollars in affiliate commissions across a variety of different affiliate programs. I've been doing this exact strategy on Facebook, as I showed you. I've been doing this here on TikTok, I've been doing it on YouTube, and I've been doing it on Instagram as well. The cool thing is this works for pretty much any platform, and I'm going to draw out the exact steps here as well as show you here on paper or on screen exactly what you need to do to get started with this process. Now, the best part about this tutorial is free software is included. There's free trials of all of the software I'm going to be using here, so you can follow along and set this up for yourself to see if this is something that you can realistically make money with, and I think you'll find that it is. So be sure to stay until the end of the video to learn how to get $1,000 worth of paid courses free. So like I said, I have the exact steps that we're going to follow right here, but real quick, I just want to give you an overview of the process visually so you can get a little more excited about what's going on here. So we have an AI video generator. That is the first step in this process. We're going to be creating AI videos, and we are going to be posting them every day. So if we take a look at our steps here, the first step is to find something that will make you money. In other words, you need to start with an affiliate offer. And lucky for you, if you don't have anything to sell, I have a free list of profitable affiliate offers in the description of this video. Now you'll see step 2 is to create videos about the product. So once you've found whatever it is that's going to make you money, then you need to use the AI tool to start creating videos about the product. Now, of course, you can do this manually if you don't want to use AI. You can just point your phone at your computer screen and create faceless videos. I do it all the time, and if you want to start using AI, you can grab the tool from oneclickvids.com. So here's what that looks like. You can see if we look at features here, there is a ton of features: idea creation, AI script generation, AI avatars, AI voice cloning, AI writer, social media content calendar, as well as faceless video. You saw over there on the right, faceless video. So that's available at oneclickvids.com. Now what I want to show you is how this works. So we're already on step 2 here, create the videos with AI, and then you'll see step 3 is grab the free automation software and build your opt-in page. Now you can grab the automation software from funnelsforever.com, and here's how these two softwares are going to work together. So like I said, here we have an AI video that's going to get posted to whichever social media account you want to use, perhaps all of the different platforms, and we're going to send the views from that video over to what we call an opt-in page. Now this is a really simple web page that we can create using the tool at funnelsforever.com, and I want to go ahead and show you how easy that is. So if we come here, you'll see there's a button that says new site. I already have a few of these set up, so we can just look at one that I've already set up here to save a little bit of time. But these are extremely simple web pages, and they even come with a bunch of templates here in the software that you can use, so you can really just set this up by clicking a few buttons. So while this page loads, let me go ahead and show you how this is used. So like I said, the AI videos are created, or you can create them manually. We send traffic to the opt-in, and then once somebody opts in, then they're going to get sent over to our affiliate link, the offer that makes us money. Now, a lot of times what happens with affiliate marketing or online sales in general is that people bounce. They look at the offer and then they leave. So the vast majority of your traffic is probably going to do that. Look at the offer and leave. But since we've used an opt-in page, and again, I'm still waiting for it to load here, but this is just a simple page where somebody puts their email address in to see the offer. And the reason we do that is because once they bounce, now the next day they're going to get an automated email bringing them back to this sales page, reminding them about the product they were interested in yesterday. And then the very next day, the same thing is going to happen. So even if they bounce from this page a few times, that's okay, because now we've set up a week's worth or maybe even a month's worth of these automated emails to keep bringing them back to this link until we actually make a sale. So I was going to show you the page here inside the builder, but I think you get the idea. This is just a page with an image, a description, and a uh, place to put your email address in. So the next step is to set up the automated email sender, and of course we can write these emails using ChatGPT. So inside the same tool here, this is what the automated emails look like. You can see I'm under the sequences tab here, and like I said, this all starts with a form, and that's the form on the opt-in page, which apparently refuses to load here. But anyways, someone will opt into this form, they'll put their email address in, and then you can see there's a time delay, and after the time delay they get sent an email, and then there's another time delay, and then they get sent another email. So we can use this tab for ChatGPT if the website builder doesn't want to play along. Not a big deal. So literally all we have to do is click the buttons over here where it says send email or time delay and add these steps in here. So we add them alternating time delay email, and all we have to do is click where it says edit, and then we come over here to ChatGPT and we just have ChatGPT write us sales emails. So this looks like it doesn't want to play nice either. There we go. So we could come into ChatGPT and say, write me a sequence of automated sales emails that will sell an AI video tool that can be used to create AI influencers. I'm going to give it a specific amount, write a sequence of 7 automated sales emails. So obviously you would probably give this a bit more detail, but for the sake of time, I'll just go with that. And you can see it's already doing what I asked it to. Subject, elevate. It says subject, meet your next marketing secret weapon. Are you ready to take your marketing strategy to the next level? Introducing a revolutionary AI video tool designed to create AI influencers that resonate with your target audience like never before. With cutting-edge technology, you can now effortlessly craft engaging content that drives real results. Are you curious to learn more? Let's dive in. Warm regards. And so then you would just simply put your affiliate link in here, copy this email, and then come over here and paste it into the scheduling tool and just continue with that for as many emails as you want. And so if we look at the process here, that's how it works. These AI generated videos are getting generated and posted every day. They are sending traffic into the opt-in page, which is feeding a constant flow of traffic to our affiliate link, and then AI emails are following up with these people every day until we close a sale. So that is a basic overview of how the system works. So you'll see the next step, step 5, is to schedule out the videos for about 30 days. That's what I like to do. I like to get ahead of things so that I don't really have to worry about it for the next month. And the tool I use to do that, you can find at automatereels.com. That's automatereels.com. And what I like about this tool is you see here in the background there's a calendar, right? So you can schedule as many videos as you want in advance. But what I like here is that I can select so many different accounts here. I have 8 accounts loaded in right now. So if I want to post this video to all 8 of these accounts, 2 Facebook accounts, 2 Instagram accounts, a YouTube channel, a couple TikTok accounts, all I have to do is click the accounts and then click publish, and now this video is going to get scheduled at whatever time I set to get posted to all of these different accounts. And if you want to take it a step further than that, you can by clicking this arrow down here, and where it says bulk CSV import, you can actually import an entire spreadsheet of these. So you could potentially do 30, 60, 90, or even hundreds of posts at once, just scheduled with the click of a button by uploading a spreadsheet. So that's pretty cool, and that's ultimately the last step in automating this entire process. So then the final step is to just blast your content to multiple accounts on multiple platforms and watch the sales roll in. Since these AI influencer videos often get hundreds or even thousands of views a piece, and you were just generating them by clicking buttons at oneclickvids.com, you can see how this can really scale into a significant income for you. And like I said, you can post these AI videos to all of the different platforms. Here on TikTok, I get a few hundred, sometimes thousands of views per day. On YouTube, same thing. Some of them are getting hundreds of views. And the same with Facebook here. And so these just run on autopilot. I put them into the scheduler and they run and they generate sales around the clock. And that's how I've been able to generate tens of thousands of dollars for a variety of different affiliate programs. And that's how you can do it too, by following these simple steps. So obviously, I can only show you so much about driving traffic in one short video. So if you want to learn the details, the ins and outs of driving traffic with videos, I have a free checklist as well as a webinar that's going to give you a lot more details about how to actually create videos that people want to watch and that sell your products. You could check that out at profitpassively.com. And the last thing I want to show you in this video is how to get over $1,000 of paid courses for free. So I mentioned that there is a free trial of the software at funnelsforever.com. Well, when it comes time to upgrade this software, they give you the option of taking the lifetime upgrade, which means you pay once and you get to keep the software forever. So if you take the lifetime upgrade at funnelsforever.com, I am going to give you all of the courses I've ever created for free. So again, that's funnelsforever.com. Choose the lifetime upgrade option, and I will send you my how to create and sell digital products with Groove crash course. So basically, that's going to teach you how to use this software to create and sell your own digital products. That's everything from the website to the product itself to the email marketing. I'm also going to give you my how to rank SEO training for complete beginners, even people who know nothing. It really breaks it down to a basic level and shows you how to get your website ranked on Google. Then I'm going to throw in my how to generate unlimited traffic with short form videos course, and all three of these are a $297 value. And then for $300 is what I normally charge, but I'm going to throw in for you for free as well, is my YouTube CTR manipulation course. So there you go. That is $1,191 worth of courses, and all you have to do is upgrade your account using funnelsforever.com to the lifetime upgrade option. And all of this should get delivered to you automatically within a few hours of upgrading. But if for whatever reason it doesn't, just send me an email with the screenshot of your upgrade purchase and to my email here, and I will gladly send these over to you manually. I'll get them over to you. So again, that's how you can get over $1,000 worth of courses for free. Head to funnelsforever.com, choose the lifetime upgrade, let me know you did, and I hope to see you make a ton of money online. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to click the bright red subscribe button down below so that you'll see the videos I put out in the future. If you want to see them right away, be sure to click the bell icon. That'll give you notifications on your phone each and every time I upload a video. And other than that, I hope you have a great day. I hope you make a ton of money online, and I can't wait to see you in the next AI money making video.